We continue. Challenges that are threatening marriage today. Number one is rural-urban migration. It is a challenge. It is threatening because the wife is left in the what? Rural. And the husband is there? Urban. And the man is not supposed to stay away from their wife. They will get another wife where? Yes, in towns. That's why most husbands don't want their wives to come and visit them in the what? Urban area. Let me not give another bad example. Also, the migration is a challenge to marriage because you go to the towns and let's say together you go with your spouse. Then your wife keeps on seeing other women. They're staying in better houses. They tell you, can we shift from here? We go to live in that particular house. And you cannot be able to pay the rent there. They want to live a lifestyle like the other women she's seeing in the what? She wants to dress like that. You know, it's becoming a challenge. There's also use of contraceptives to plan families. It's a challenge because contraceptives take away the urge to have sex. Uchu, inatoa uchu. There is no contraceptive that doesn't, only the natural method. That is a challenge. Because if you're the husband and you want to do everything, the wife tells you, I'm not in the mood. Why are you not in the mood? The way our bodies were created by God, that's why we tell you not to use your body now. The whatever is there all the time. It is there. Like now you're the youth, it is there. Full time, it is there. You just have to be responsible and you know your tempo is there. Now you start having, you are a girl, you start having the intercourse now. So because now the boyfriend says, oh, I don't want to get pregnant, they start using the contraceptives. None of the contraceptives doesn't take away the desire to have sex. None of them. Why do you think now you're married, you have a wife, and you tell them, oh, it's time for Kojanko, they tell you, I don't feel like. Why are they not feeling like? Why? It is natural to feel. Why? Because of the what? Contraceptives. Yes, that is what the doctors are saying, and it is written on those papers before you buy, and people don't realize. We continue. There is also another challenge is women liberation movements. Like which one? FIDA. Yes? They keep on telling you, oh, women have rights, this and this. That's a challenge. There is also too much freedom. That is permissiveness in the society. Yes? That some of the roles in the family that a woman should do, they also insist on the man doing what? Doing them instead of the woman. If your wife doesn't have a job, and you're the one who's working, the wife, if you're working, you make sure some of your responsibility. When I'm not working over the weekend, I'm the one who's taking care of the children. If the husband was taking care from Monday to Friday, so that he can also have his own what? Time. There is also separation due to nature of employment. My husband was employed, or I was employed, all of a sudden I'm sacked, right? You see now the lifestyle is supposed to change. If you were living somewhere, a wealthy neighborhood, you're supposed to shift where it's affordable. If you were doing, there are things that we can do, but you do not want to adjust. You'd rather opt out of marriage. There is also the issue of unfaithfulness that is rampant, and drug and alcohol abuse. Because someone who's under the influence of drugs, they cannot control themselves, or they will do something to you, like the issue of domestic violence. They will beat you or do something, and then they blame on the alcohol. If you're drunk and you beat your wife, you're not drunk. Someone who's drunk can do nothing. If you're drunk, that's what people don't understand. Kama umelewa, si ndio? You have hauna nguvu zozote zile. And the more, let me tell you boys, because I don't know whether we're going to talk about drug abuse, the more you continue drinking, the more your stamina, the male stamina for an erection goes down. That one is, even ask those people who've done Nakada. That's what they're telling the youth. If you go to that marriage and you think you're not rising for the occasion, it's because you drank alcohol, a lot of it, and then it impacts on your body. So that's why we keep on telling you, don't do drugs, watu wanakudanganya.